And today we will study about how to multiply the decimal numbers with other number. Okay, so in the heading, yeah, or the slide you are seeing multiplication of decimals number. In class 6 we have learned that a decimal number has two parts. Every decimal number have two parts. Like suppose that if we write 2.02, so the one part is this, the left side of the decimal, and the second one is the right side of the decimal. So these are the two parts. That is called whole number. Means complete division. When we divide na something, suppose that if we divide 7 by 2, to then 2 3 ja 6, 1 is remaining, then we put the decimal and increase the 0, 2 5 ja 10. Cut now, you understand? So this is the whole number and this is the decimal part. Understand? So there are two parts of the decimal number. Understand? The first is decimal part, the other is first is whole part, the other is decimal part. These are three examples given for you to how to multiply decimal. One place, one decimal in one place, decimal in two place, decimal in third place. So simply 2.7 multiplied by 4. So 4 7 ja 28, 28, 8 carry 2, 4 2 ja 8 to 10. This one. Now 9 5 ja 45. This one carry 4, 9 7 ja 63 of and 4 7 67, 9 3 ja 27 6 33, carry 3, 9 1 ja 9 then 3 12. Understand? You will see that measurement after two side and last 12 5 ja. If you know the table, then directly you can multiply. If you don't know the table, then one by one you can multiply. So answer would be 24.900. And after the decimal, 0 will not accept, like 1.001. Then this 0 will not remove. Understand? These are the valuable zeros, they will remain. But if you write 1.900, then we will remove these two. You don't know me, so then we will write 1.9. Understand? So simply you can do. And if the decimal is given in one place, like points, and then your answer will be in one place decimal. If the answer is in two place, then your answer would be also in two place. And if your answer in three place, decimal in three place, then your answer would be in three place. If 0 is not there, if lastly there are 2010, then you will remove that. You can also do this. If suppose that 21.730, so then in place of it you can write 23.73. Understand? Then no need to write three place decimal place. This place will be removed. These are the pretty homework for you, so you have to solve it and send back to the your admin. Understand? Have a good day.